The conflict in the world is for various reasons. One of the main reasons is for power, it is for money, it is for status, it is for land. Because most of the people think that the world is everything. But if you go back to the scriptures, if you go to Quran says in Surah Mulk, chapter number 67, verse number 2, Alladhi khalaqal mawta wal hayata. It is Allah who has created death and life to test which of his good deeds. So this life is temporary. It's a test for you. So if everyone realizes that this life is temporary, then you won't run after wealth and dunya so much. For example, when I'm traveling, I come to Nigeria, I stay in a temporary hotel. I don't buy a house for me. Why? Because I know I'm going to be in Nigeria for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, that's it. So if you know that the world is temporary, you will not behave like a person who wants to hoard wealth. So main life is the life after death. And most of the religions say the same thing. So if every human being understands that this life is temporary, it's the test for the hereafter, then you find the difference.